Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix if the Launchpad is missing from your dock menu on your Mac. So for this guys, I'm going to show you two methods to get back your missing Launchpad. Okay, so first method is this guys, command key button from your keyboard and then press space from your keyboard, and here you need to search Launchpad and drag and drop it on your dock menu like this. Okay, so this is the first method. Second method is this guys, close this and in the toolbar menu of your Mac, click on Finder and go to settings like this. From here you need to select application box and then close this, and here go to go tab like this, and from here you need to select applications like this, and in the applications scroll down and find out Launchpad, drag and drop it on your Mac dock menu. Okay, so this is the second method. After doing this guys, restart your Mac one time, it will get back your Launchpad. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solution to fix this issue. In case still you are facing same type of problem, now you need to update your MacBook. So hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.